This is really soft. You can probably see my foot is bouncing there. This is the time of year when we start spotting issues around the home's exterior that homeowners may not have noticed yet. So give me a couple minutes and I'll show you what we look for at Joyland Roofing when we come out to inspect. So the first thing I do when I get on the roof is check the gutters out. I'm looking for a few things. So I want to see whether or not they're clogged. Obviously you got to be careful because you're close to the roof's edge. Make sure that the fasteners, older gutters have what's called a ferrule here. Make sure that they're tight. Look for granules. If there's a lot of granules in the gutter, then that's a sign that the roof is definitely aging. All right, secondly, we're looking for issues on the roof. How can you tell whether or not your roof is in good condition? I'll point out a couple of things. So on the ridge cap here, if you see things like this where there's loose ridge cap shingles or loose shingles sticking up, that's a sign that you need to get it checked out. You'll need to notice this one here. The nail is backing out from underneath this one, and that's actually what's pushing it up. Coming down here, if you have any places where the downspout is discharging out over a lower roof, you want to feel that area and see whether or not it's soft. This is really soft. You can probably see my foot is bouncing there. There's rotten plywood under there, and that means that the water coming out of this downspout is getting in behind the shingles here somehow and is rotting that plywood out. And then chimneys. So we're checking the flashing, making sure that everything is sealed off where the bricks meet the counter flashing. Make sure that there is step flashing beneath there, which you see that silver right there. We'll see here, this crown has a lot of cracks in it. What happens is water gets in there, and then during the winter months, that water freezes and it starts to break apart the mortar and the chimney bricks, causing leaks down through the chimney and problems in your attic and living space. Pipe boots. So I'm also checking all the penetrations that come through the roof. Skylights, pipe boots, making sure that the pipe boots are secure. We'll see this one here, the collar is starting to crack. Now that's not going to cause a leak yet, but within a year or two, this is going to be a lot worse and we're going to be getting water down through there. So doors, when we're talking about entry or exterior facing doors, we want to make sure that there's not too much play on the door here, that it's not loose. We can also look at the bottom here, and this is better sometimes from the inside, but check along the bottom, get down on the floor if you can and see if you can see any light filtering through there. Here I'm checking the windows, and from the outside, the biggest thing I'm looking for is cracks around the window. So those should be re-caulked. From the inside, you're looking to see and make sure that the windows open and close smoothly. If they don't, then you might have an issue where the sash is starting to bend or the frame is starting to give way, and that could be an indicator of a window that needs to be replaced or repaired. All right, now onto the siding on the house. So if I'm at the bottom, now this is up higher, but if you have siding all the way down to the ground, it's good to go around and check and make sure that the bottom is still fastened. Sometimes that comes loose. The seams should be laying tight and flat. If they're not, it should be repaired. And that's the big reason we do this in April. Winter causes the damage, and now is when you finally get a chance to see it. At Joyland, this is the kind of stuff we're looking for on real inspections every day, and catching it now is the difference between a quick fix and a much larger bill later. So if you see one or more of these issues on your home, give Joyland a call, and we'd love to come out and inspect your home's exterior to make sure you're safe going through this year.